To my channel. My name is Dr. Mithil Shah. I am practicing currently as a dentist in Mumbai, and I have received many doubts regarding how to convince a patient for a root canal treatment. Many a times we blame this pandemic situation for our reduced patient flow. But don't you think are we lacking somewhere to convince the patient for a root canal treatment? The patient always comes when the tooth is completely destroyed or destructed, and when the patient wants to remove the tooth, or either when we suggest the patient to do a root canal treatment. But it becomes so difficult for a patient to understand what root canal treatment is. So if you are an intern working in your what do you call dental colleges on the OPDs, it becomes difficult for us sometimes to explain the patient. So are we lacking somewhere? Either we don't know the entire way to explain it. So here's how you are going to explain a patient. When a patient comes, the very first thing which I do is I take a radiograph if possible, and I diagnose the case myself, and I tell the patient, okay, so this is what it is, and you explain the patient what exactly the problem is. If you have a handout, then it would be really very easy and very clear for you guys. So what I basically do, I explain in patient. Obviously, patient is not going to understand what an enamel, dentin and pulp is, but the patient will definitely understand that here is what the carious part is, and this is what the patient's, this is what its tooth has happened. This is what the etiology is, or the pathophysiological process is. So now going on how to explain in patient. So basically, I think if you will do this, then the patient will definitely be convinced regarding your treatment. He will also come to know what exactly we are going to do in the entire treatment. So this is how we will go. See, I suggest you to keep an handout in your clinic. This is an handout, so it is very difficult, very easy for me to explain in patient. First thing, when I say the patient said this is the infected tooth and this is what the infection has caused in your tooth. So now what we are going to do, we are going to open this tooth and we are going to remove the pulp. And your tooth is going to be there. You need to assure the patient that your tooth is not going to be removed. Your tooth is going to be saved, and only the pulpal part will be removed. Only this layer is going to be removed. After which I am going to clean your teeth. After cleaning the teeth in the second appointment, I'll put some medications over here and I will give you an antibiotic regimen. What will happen when I will give an antibiotic regimen? The medications which I'll give, which will come through the blood flow through this part, and the medications which I will put over here, this will help to reduce your infection drastically, and your pain will be reduced very, the pain would be completely minimal. So the patient will also get convinced, okay, so this is going to happen with me, these things are going to happen with me. Then you will explain, okay, I'll take the measurement of your roots, and then I'll move about, I'll clean a bit more, and then what happens, I'll put an artificial what do you call, the patient will not obviously understand what obturation is, so I'll say that I'll put some artificial material inside which will help it sustain better, and I'll put some cementation over there. After which I'll cut the tooth. Why will I cut the tooth? You need to explain that part also, because sometimes what happens, patient don't get convinced for the cap treatment. Either they do have the treatment and their pain has been resolved, so they run away. But if you explain this in the very first appointment, the patient will come to you on the appointment which you give. So this will help the patient explain and understand better why to save a tooth. Mostly what I do, I explain in patient that when I open this part, this, and I put the cementations over here, this part becomes potentially weak because we have opened the tooth. So that is why I am putting in crown. This will help support the tooth and it will prolong the life. If I will not put this cap, then what is going to happen? Obviously the cap will come out, either the cap will come out, and then if you will not put it back, then what is going to happen, the tooth structure is already weak, it is going to break off. Okay, so better you explain these things, and I'm sure that the patient will get convinced. I hope you like the video and do subscribe to my channel. Also keeps this handouts if possible, where you can explain, okay, so this is an stainless steel crown, we also have zirconia crowns, we also have PFN crowns, where we can say, okay, so this is an PFN crown. So put these models in your clinic. This will help the patient understand better, okay, and the patient will definitely get convinced. I hope you like the video. Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much.